Now if you're afraid of downloading YouTube Vans because it is an application outside the Play Store, then you might want to check out this app as well. The name of this app is Floating Tube, which is free to download on the Play Store, and it has a feature YouTube Vans also has. Well, this app allows you to play any YouTube video in PIP or picture-in-picture mode on your device, even if your device doesn't have support for this feature. Now just find the video or search the video you want to watch, tap on it, and the video should start playing in picture-in-picture mode. Very simple. You can also move this anywhere on your screen whilst doing other tasks on your device. And you can even increase the size of the picture-in-picture mode as well. You should definitely check this out. Okay, so the next app is a launcher. So if you want to stay focused on what matters and you want to have a minimal setup on your phone, then this app will help. The name of this launcher is Niagara Launcher. First, you need to agree to the T&C. From there, you select your favorite apps. Now you have to set this as your default launcher. Here's how your home screen should look like, nice and clean. Another cool thing about this launcher is you can read notifications directly from your home screen, so you don't always have to pulling down your notification drawer. It's worth trying out. The next app you want to check out is the Play Store. I know you are shocked, but here's a cool thing you can do with it. Now the cool thing you can do with this Play Store app is you can now send large file size games or applications to another Android device faster and easy. So you don't need to download any third-party application. To get this magic working for you, open up your Play Store, then tap on the profile icon here, select Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Send here. On the other device, repeat the same process, but this time you select Receive, then you wait. Now come back to the first device, then you tap on the application or you select the application you want to send to the other device. You tap on this, then you select the receiver. Very simple. So with the help of this, you can now transfer any large file size games or applications to another Android device with ease. The next app is a wallpaper application, and with this app you get to browse through almost 1 million plus high resolution photos from any collection. And you can also download them as well to your device. Now you get all these wallpapers from Unsplash, and the name of this app is Resplash. Free to download on the Play Store. When you select an image you want to download, you get to see every detail about that image, like the dimension, camera, tags, ISO and others. Straight away from this page, you can download the image when you tap on the downloading button here, and you can even set it as your wallpaper as well. When you click here, the app also has another feature that allows you to set automatic wallpapers. So when you enable this inside the settings, your wallpaper will change anytime depending on the condition you set it. So if you select charging as your condition, the wallpaper will change anytime you connect your charger to your device. There are other options you can select as well. There are more features you can have access to in the settings, and anyways, check it out and customize your screen with some good looking wallpapers. Now the next app to check out is Notification Shortcut. I guess the name of this app says it all, but this app is not available on the Play Store, so I'll leave a link down in the description to download. So with this app, you'll be able to switch between your favorite apps, shortcuts and some quick settings easily like this. To get this to work for you, inside the app, enable shortcuts and then allow all required permissions. Then you select the number of shortcuts per row you want. So you can select from 3 to 12. Once you are done, tap the box here and select your preferred function. There are lots you can choose from this list. Now you can switch between your selected apps, shortcuts or quick settings from your notification drawer like this. Very easy, fast, quick, simple, and I guess it's okay. Okay, I suggest you enable empty icon if you want to hide the notification shortcut icon on the status bar. Thank you all very much for watching, and these are some few apps to check out in the month of October. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like on it and also share with your friends, family, yes, friends, family and everyone. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and if you have any app suggestions, please leave them in the comment section as well. Stay safe. Also, let me know in the comments your favorite app.